in this problem, you have to find it out what is the work done from a given force and the position diagram. Once you have the force and position diagram, the total work done is equal to the area of the curve. Okay, so in this case, you have to find out the work done if I move from 4 meter to 6 meter. So if a force and the position graph is given, and if it is asking you to calculate the work done, you just have to calculate the area. So what's the area? So this, in this case, this one here. Okay. So you just have to find this area. This area here. So this is a rectangle here. So what is the force then? The force for problem number 1, the work done is equal to the area. Let's say I call this as the area 1. Area 1. What is the area here? So this distance, what is this distance? This is 2 meter. So this is, or let's say 2 meter times this length, which is 10. This is equal to 20 joule. This is a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is equal to the length times width. Okay? And now it is asking you to calculate the area from 6 meter to 12 meter. So what are you going to do? You have to find this area here. This area. This area. I call this as the area 2. Okay? So you just have to find this area here from 6 meter to 12 meter, and this is a triangle. What is the area of a triangle? So in this case, the area is equal to half base times height. This is area of a triangle. Half. What is the base here? The base 6 to 12 is 6 meter. 6, and the height is 10. So this is the 30 joule.